A capful of laundry detergent, a squeeze of dish soap, a dollop of sunscreen. Sure, it might all feel like the right amount, but is it? We spoke to 4 of our writers, and here are their suggested serving sizes of common household supplies that surprised us the most. The amount of toilet bowl cleaner recommended on the back of the bottle varies depending on the brand, but about 4 to 6 ounces is enough to effectively clean your toilet bowl. Most toilet bowl cleaners come in a funny-looking bottle designed to more easily apply the cleaner under the rim of the bowl.
Just one squeeze around the bowl should be more than enough to effectively clean your toilet.
Chances are, you're not wearing enough sunscreen. And if that's the case, you're not alone. A 2014 study showed that most folks typically use a quarter to half as much sunscreen as they should be using to meet the advertised sun protection factor, also known as SPF.
To get full protection, you need to use 2 milligrams per square centimeter of skin. This amounts to about a shot glass's worth, or 1 ounce of sunscreen for the average size adult's near naked body. It's hard to judge how much sunscreen you're using if you get it from a spray bottle, but Wirecutter found that you need to spray the sunscreen much closer to your body to apply it effectively, and even then, you still need to rub it in. You also need to spray for 2 minutes in the windless but well-ventilated area to get the proper SPF advertised.
Stop using so much laundry detergent. Though the back of almost every detergent bottle suggests using anywhere from half to a full capful of detergent, that's way too much.
You're probably using way too much laundry detergent. On the back of most bottles, it recommends using a lot more than 2 tablespoons, which is all you really need to effectively clean a large load of laundry. And for small and medium loads, you really only need 1 tablespoon of laundry detergent.
If you continuously squeeze dollops of the cleaner onto your sponge while hand washing your dishes, you might be using too much dish soap. A better way to get the chore done is to fill the sink with soapy water. So you only need as little as a teaspoon of dish detergent in a sink full of water to produce a healthy layer of foam on top.
Start washing your least dirty dishes first to preserve your soapy water. Then, when it turns brown or starts to lose suds, drain it and refill the sink with about a teaspoon of dish soap.
Check out more of our coverage at nytimes.com/wirecutter, and don't forget to subscribe.